What if I told you that the expensive oxygen bleach products like OxiClean that cost several dollars per box are essentially just two simple ingredients you can combine at home for a fraction of the price, and the homemade version works with identical effectiveness on stains, whitening, and fabric brightening? What if the cleaning industry has been charging you premium prices for something requiring almost zero manufacturing complexity? I made my own oxygen bleach alternative for very little money and tested it against the expensive commercial version. The results were virtually indistinguishable. Stay with me to the end, because this will save you lots of money annually. The product we've been overpaying for. Walk into any supermarket and you'll find oxygen bleach products prominently displayed, marketed with impressive scientific-sounding names and promising miraculous stain removal. OxiClean. Vanish. Various Oxy-branded products. They work genuinely well, which is why millions of people buy them repeatedly at significant expense. A medium-sized box costs around $15 and disappears relatively quickly with regular laundry use. Most households spend $200 or more annually on these products alone. The science behind oxygen bleach. Here's the chemistry that makes oxygen bleach so effective. Sodium percarbonate, the active ingredient in commercial oxygen bleach, releases hydrogen peroxide when dissolved in water. This hydrogen peroxide then breaks down into water and oxygen. That released oxygen is what does the cleaning work, oxidizing stain molecules and breaking them down chemically rather than just pushing them around like detergent does. This oxygen-based action is safe for colored fabrics because it targets stain molecules specifically rather than bleaching color molecules the way chlorine bleach does. Washing soda, also called sodium carbonate, increases water alkalinity, making the environment more effective for stain removal and helping hydrogen peroxide release its oxygen more efficiently. This alkaline environment also boosts detergent cleaning power when used in laundry. The DIY recipe. Here's the exact formula that replicates commercial oxygen bleach. You need 3% hydrogen peroxide, standard pharmacy concentration, and washing soda, which is available at most hardware stores or supermarkets and costs very little per kilogram. The mixture ratio is straightforward. For a laundry boost, add half cup of washing soda to your washing machine drum, along with your normal detergent, then add 1 cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide directly to the wash water. For a pre-soak solution for tough stains, dissolve 2 tablespoons of washing soda in 2 cups of warm water, then add half cup hydrogen peroxide. Soak stained items for 30 to 60 minutes before washing normally. For surface cleaning applications like grout whitening, tile cleaning, or whitening fabric, mix hydrogen peroxide and washing soda directly to form a paste at a ratio of approximately 1 part washing soda to 2 parts hydrogen peroxide. Apply to surfaces or stains. Allow to work for 15 to 30 minutes, then rinse. The comparative testing. I tested my homemade version against commercial OxiClean on identical stain types: coffee stains on white cotton, grass stains on synthetic fabric, and general dingy yellowing on white shirts. I prepared 2 identical garments with the same stains, treated one with commercial OxiClean per package instructions, and treated the other with my homemade combination at equivalent concentrations. After washing both identically, the results were genuinely comparable. Both treatments lightened coffee stains to near invisibility. Both handled grass stains effectively. Both brightened yellowed fabric noticeably. Any difference in results was minimal enough to be within normal variation rather than a meaningful performance gap. The broader lesson. This discovery is about understanding what you're actually buying. Many commercial cleaning products are simple chemical combinations sold with sophisticated marketing. When you understand the active ingredients doing the actual cleaning work, you can often replicate the chemistry yourself for dramatically less money. This doesn't apply to every product, but for oxygen bleach specifically, the DIY version is a genuine like-for-like replacement. This is how you can make your own oxygen bleach alternative using hydrogen peroxide and washing soda, the same active chemistry as expensive commercial products, for a fraction of the cost. If this just saved you hundreds in annual cleaning product expenses, smash that like button. Subscribe to The Big Sweep and turn on the notification bell for more chemistry-based money-saving cleaning revelations. Share with anyone regularly buying expensive oxygen bleach products. Comment how much you currently spend on these products monthly. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, understand your ingredients, make your own, and stop paying premium prices for simple chemistry.